You searched how to buy shares of ASX Limited, which operates the Australian Securities Exchange and is listed on CBOE AUS with the ticker ASX.ASX. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds to trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ASX.ASX to find the listing. Then select the matching ASX Limited result to open its asset page. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for ASX Limited. Confirm the company name and ticker to make sure you have the correct share. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button, enter the amount you want to purchase, then review and confirm your order. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled for the next session, and the platform will ask you to add funds if your balance is insufficient before confirming. Once executed, your ASX Limited position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to learn more.